Alright, let's see what else we got. Maybe some Harley parts finally. I'm getting a bunch of crap. What's this? Yeah, looks like more crap. What is this Gucci? This is Gucci packing. Well, it's got Harley parts in here. Oh, this is some fancy stuff here. Must have stole this from his wife. I don't need this crap. There only needs a box of parts. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Looks like a bunch of miscellaneous junk I bought. Okay, so what do we got here? Hey, we got one of those. Okay, that's a clutch adjustment plate for, what year is that thing? 98? 98 to 05 maybe? So it goes inside your clutch, the screw goes in there and it holds on the snap ring and it works. So, I think that's what that is. And if it doesn't fit that, then it fits a 90 to 97 version. I forget. I don't work on enough of them late mics to pay attention. I don't know. If I had to guess, I'd say it's the later, not the earlier. Looks okay though. Don't know if it fits, but looks alright. Okay, this here is a fork cap for Showa, most likely. That's a dinky looking axle though. Yeah, it's going to be a small axle. That'll be definitely probably a ½ inch, something like that. Is that 3/4? That might be a 3/4. Pretty small. It looks too small to be a 3/4 to me. Let's see what we got here. Yep, 736. 3/4. Alright, so I'm going to guess that's for a narrow glide, probably for a Sportster or an FX. Probably something early, probably in the 80s. So I'm guessing 35mm and not 39mm, if I had to guess. So probably 84 to 87, 88, whatever you use that narrow glide, early one, 35mm. That'd be my guess. Could be a right or a left. It's pretty small, so probably the left side speedometer drive side. Assuming they have a speedometer drive on that side. I don't know. I'm going to guess that's what it is. I have to go read what I want and see what it says. I know what that is. That's a Sportster part all day long. All day long. I've had to straighten those before. So that goes to the transmission. This goes to the cam cover. Through the cam cover here, and you got a lever on the outside. It's a brake lever. It goes boop, 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 boop like that. Works a cable brake. So that'd be your 77 through 78 Sportster. This is an adjustable stop to adjust the height of the pedal up and down. So that's how that works. The cable has a little clevis that goes on here and it pulls the cable. It makes it go, makes it do what it's going to do. So it goes on the bike like that, as I recall. So it goes forward like that, it pulls on it. So it goes underneath the cover. If I had the cover on my bike, that look like that. We go right here out of this hole right here, the shifter hole area. Stick out like that. Brake pedal will be out here. That's where it goes. Alright. Probably brand new Harley one. Looks nice. NOS parts. Good piece. Some boot cups from Dixie. 80. FXWG. 1980. 41 mil. Also fits probably soft tails. Probably goes all the way up to at least up in the later 90s. Obviously aftermarket. These are made in Taiwan. Not China. Taiwan. There you go. They still feel nice and rough pliable, so they're good. Ooh, I know what that is. That is ignition advance tool for point ignitions. It holds mechanical advance forward. You stick it over the cam lobe, you rotate it and lock it down with that set screw with 5 fingers. It holds the cam fully advanced, and you rotate the plate until the points just crack and your points are set. Very handy tool to have. What year is this package? Does not say the year of it. It says it fits 71 to 78 Sportster and 70 to early 78 Big Twins. That's because they didn't have any points in past 79 or past 78. 79 up had electronic pickup, but it still had a mechanical advance, so you had to adjust. So technically, it still works. Electronic ignition didn't come out until 82. So yeah, this is a Nimco part. Tucker Nimco. That is old. Nimmerco, that's going to be your 80s. This is old. Still works though. What's this piece of crap? Handlebar HD rear fender wire retention bracket. Part number 10188. I have no idea what that is. Obviously that's a fender strut. So that's going to fit probably a wire that goes across here like that. That's going to fit some kind of a Dyna or a Sportster. Probably in the 2000s would be something that ugly. Maybe the 90s, but I doubt it. Probably more in the 2000s, but I don't know. I've never seen one. I've never worked on that late model bikes, so I don't know. But I have 2 of them if you need one. I know what that is. That is a master cylinder cover for that bike right there. It goes right up on that master cylinder up on top. Gives you a nice factory ribbed one, because this probably is a factory one. Yep, there's the Harley part number right there. 45058-72. Excuse me, because it fits 72 and later. Mine is, should be black, because mine's a black master cylinder, but who knows. Anyway, they work good. Nice part. Probably genuine Harley one. The aftermarket ones have the all smooth across the top, butt ugly looking. And the really bad ones have a bunch of writing all over them. And if you want to make it worse than that, then they have one that had a bit like a square pocket and had black in the center. Really butt ugly. These ones look nice, especially if you do a highlight black. Paint all black, sand it off just lightly. Looks good. Nice one, I like it.